Lichet and I am the Executive Director of the Global Pact Coalition, an organization promoting the adoption of an international environmental law treaty. In October 2021, the UN Human Rights Council adopted a resolution recognizing the right to a healthy environment as an essential human right. Then, in July 2022, the UN General Assembly recognized the right to a healthy environment as a human right for all. Lastly, in April 2023, the Human Rights Council adopted another resolution, this time identifying the next steps to effectively implement the right to a healthy environment internationally. These resolutions all represent a historic victory for the protection of the environment, but they must now be combined with strong national, regional, and international implementation mechanisms to fully strengthen environmental protection and protect people's health and the enjoyment of their other human rights. The United States does not recognize the right to a healthy environment at the federal level. Yet, there is a growing worldwide consensus on the right to a healthy environment. So the United States should now join the movement, first by increasing their participation in international organizations, and second by recognizing the right to a healthy environment at the federal level. This would better tackle global environmental challenges, but also better protect US residents' health and the environment. For example, millions of Americans have inadequate water systems today. Others are concerned by the issue of forever chemicals contaminating their water, and we recently saw the derailment and fire of a freight train carrying more than 100,000 gallons of hazardous chemicals in East Palestine, Ohio. These are among many reasons why the US should now recognize and protect the right to a healthy environment at the federal level. The Global Pact for the Environment is a draft international treaty that aims to recognize a new generation of fundamental rights and duties related to the protection of the environment, and in particular, the right to a healthy environment. A global pact would create an international legal framework to protect our planet and our environmental rights, and would fill the gaps in international environmental law, which is fragmented into sectoral treaties regulating specific issues such as climate change, biodiversity, pollution, for example. It would unify all of these sections of international law and become a sort of Earth Constitution. It would represent a universal commitment by all states to protect the environment and our right to a healthy environment. It would impose the duty of citizens, companies, and states to take care of the environment, but it would also grant citizens procedural environmental rights such as access to information, public participation, and access to environmental justice. It would recognize the fundamental principles of prevention and remediation of environmental damage and establish the tools needed to implement them. As such, it would empower citizens with the legal means to protect the planet. More broadly, we aim to protect all recognitions of the right to a healthy environment at the international, regional, and national levels, and all international or multilateral treaty for the environment.